Hi, this is Phil Parrots with Media Inc., and I'm your 4-minute mentor. Today we're going to talk about QR codes. Now, traditionally when you create a QR code, what you have to do is you either find a place online where you can generate a QR code, or you get software which allows you to generate your QR codes, and then you hard code the information that's going to go on there. So what I've done already is I have my URL for my website, www.mediamediainc.com. Once I set up that QR code and pick the size, then I go to export and I save it as an EPS or a JPEG or a PNG file, save it to my computer, then take that graphic and use that as one of the graphical elements on my business cards or my flyers or my packaging or anything else. If I change my mind later and I want that QR code to go somewhere else, I got to throw everything away that I've done and create a new QR code and new packaging materials or new business cards. With MMiScan, and this is pretty cool, it all starts, here's the home page, little video on here, some information about traditional and the MMiScan way of doing QR codes. But once you set up an account, and you can get the account information on the pricing tab, there's even a free account where you can generate one QR code, make as many changes as you want, and then you can upgrade later if it makes sense to you. But you come right here to the dashboard, and let's create one that says MMiScan test. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we'll go right to MediaInc.com. So what you do is you hit create code. Now what's really cool too, there's analytics. You can see how many people have scanned the code. There's a place where you edit, you can download. Download is pretty easy to do. You pick your file type, JPEG, PNG, EPS, you hit download, and you can save it to your computer and you can use that artwork. But what I want to show you right here, and I have this really neat little utility through Google Chrome. It gives me the ability to read a QR code from an image. So I click on that. You can see that it's thinking for a second, and it takes me right to the Media Inc. website. This is what we intended. Now, say I want to do something different. I want to engage my customers in a different way. I want to have a daily contest or a daily special or a weekly special or monthly information going to my newsletter, anything that might be different. All I do now is I come over here, I go to edit. This is the same one that we used before. Now let's change this. And this, by the way, is my Facebook page for Media Inc. While you're thinking about it, go to the Facebook page and like my page. There's always a lot of good information there. So we're going to update that code. Now, remember the first time we scanned that code using that little Google Chrome utility I have, I went to the Media Inc. website. Let's close that. Let's go back to this, read QR code from image. Now it takes you right to the Facebook page, facebook.com/Media Inc. So you could have this point to anything that you want it to point to, get your customers or your prospects or your friends of your company to get into a habit of checking back regularly. There's a lot of different applications. In fact, here's some applications right here on the Media or MMiScan website for automotive, food and beverage, music, real estate, and so on. Great application, free account if you want to check it out. This is Phil Parrots, your 4-minute mentor, and I hope you have a great week. Thank you so much.